Okay, so this video will be talking about sorting. So sorting is just passing a list of unsorted items through a sorting algorithm, and this results in a list of sorted items. So it's basically fixing a list and putting a list in the correct order. So let's go over to C++, and I already imported it here. So we're going to display and sort an array using void functions and calling them up in the main function. So here we have our prototypes. Void display array is going to display the actual array. It takes the arguments of the integer array and an integer, and the sort in the same parameters. Now in the main function, we declare integer n as equal to 5. And then we declare integer array of size 5 with these variables. They're not in order, as you can see. We're going to call on array, display array, so it's going to show the unsorted array, sort it, and then we're going to display the sorted array. Because if you take it in this order, if we put the sorted array at the very bottom, it's just going to show display array of the unsorted. But if we put it in the middle, we'll have the unsorted, we'll have the sort action, and then we'll have the display function complete the display array. So display array here. It's basically just another for loop where we're using integer n as here because that's the size of the array. Let's go back down. And the sort function itself requires the use of this formula. It's this right here that has to be the same in order for the array to sort itself. So what's going to happen is that if the array value at j is less than the array value at index, index is assigned the value of j. And this occurs for every iteration. And index I is the very first value within the array. So how it ends up, we're going to have integer temp being assigned the value of the array at the index. Array index is now assigned the value of array I, whichever value that comes on, and array I will be assigned the value of temp. So once we save, compile, and run this, we should see a unsorted array just like this, and then sorted, and then display the array in proper order. So let's see final. So there we go. We have 53412, which is how it's input here, and then we have the sorted array here.